Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Sunsun Canister Filter replacement parts are probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining a crystal clear and healthy aquatic environment for your beloved fish, ensuring your filter continues to operate at peak efficiency and preventing costly breakdowns or subpar water quality that could jeopardize your entire aquarium ecosystem. Number 5. Aquatic Experts FilterFirst Aquarium Filter Floss. Achieve professional-grade clarity for your aquarium. Our dual-density pad effectively traps both large debris and fine particles, polishing your water to perfection. Easily trim this media roll to perfectly fit any filter shape or size. It's ideal for canisters, sumps, and HOB systems, offering unparalleled flexibility. These thick polyester fibers are designed to resist tearing and can be rinsed multiple times. This durable design saves you money on frequent replacements. Rest assured, this filter media is dye-free and chemical-free. It's specifically designed for aquarium use, ensuring the safety of all your aquatic inhabitants. Experience superior filtration and long-lasting clarity with our product. It's proudly produced and tested domestically, guaranteeing top-notch quality. What we like. This filter floss offers 2 layers for superior clarity. Its cut-to-fit design ensures a perfect match for any filter system. If you prioritize crystal clear water and a customizable fit for your specific setup, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The media basket is designed to hold a variety of filter media, allowing for customizable filtration. The impeller is made of durable ceramic, which ensures longevity and quiet operation. The filter comes with all necessary O-rings and gaskets, making installation straightforward. Number 4. AQUANEAT Replacement Filter Pads for Sunsun HW Series. Achieve pristine aquarium water with our replacement filter pads. Designed to trap debris effectively, they ensure your aquatic environment remains healthy and clear. These pads are engineered to capture visible particles without hindering water circulation. They are reusable, simply rinse them to maintain their effectiveness. Our white floss pads filter out even the finest particles. Enjoy crystal clear water that enhances the beauty of your aquarium. By effectively filtering debris, these pads help extend the lifespan of your other filter media. This means less frequent replacements and better overall performance. This pack includes coarse, medium, and fine sponge biofilter pads, along with white floss pads. You get a comprehensive filtration solution for your aquarium. Specifically designed for compatibility with Sunsun HW, 304B 404B 704B 3000 and Polar Aurora 525 GPH canister filters. Ensure optimal performance with a perfect fit. What we like. This set provides a variety of pad densities to tackle different debris sizes. It's specifically designed for certain Sunsun models, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. If you own a compatible Sunsun filter and want a comprehensive media replacement kit that also protects your other filter media, this is the one for you. What people say. The media basket is a perfect fit for the Sunsun 304B filter, allowing for easy organization of filter media. These replacement parts ensure the filter continues to run smoothly and efficiently, maintaining optimal water clarity. The quality of the materials used in the replacement parts is excellent, suggesting durability and long-term performance. Number 3. Sunsun HW 3000 External Canister Filter. Introducing the Sunsun HW 3000, a powerful external canister filter designed to keep your aquarium pristine. It offers exceptional filtration capacity to maintain a clean and clear aquatic environment. Easily control the water flow with its adjustable rate, up to 793 gallons per hour. The integrated 9W UV sterilizer helps eliminate harmful bacteria and algae, ensuring a healthy habitat. The intuitive LCD display provides convenient control over both the pump's flow rate and the UV light's duration. This allows for customized settings to suit your specific aquarium needs. This filter is suitable for a wide range of aquarium types, including both freshwater and saltwater setups. Its adaptability makes it a great choice for any aquarist. It comes equipped with white filter pads to get you started. Please note that filter media is sold separately, allowing you to choose the best media for your system. Operating on 220-240 V50 Hz, this filter is built for reliable and efficient performance. Enjoy peace of mind with its robust design and effective filtration capabilities. What we like. This unit boasts an adjustable flow rate and a built-in UV sterilizer for pristine water. The LCD display offers convenient control over its functions. If you're looking for a powerful, all-in-one filtration solution with advanced control features and sterilization capabilities, this filter is a top contender. What people say. The media basket is a perfect fit for the Sunsun HW304B. These replacement parts ensure the filter continues to run smoothly and efficiently. The quality of the materials used in these replacement parts is excellent, making them durable and long-lasting. Number 2. Sunsun Canister Filter Media Set, Triple Pack. Introducing the Sunsun Canister Filter Media Set, a triple pack designed for optimal aquarium filtration. This comprehensive set ensures your water is crystal clear and healthy for your aquatic life. Each pack includes activated carbon in convenient mesh bags. It effectively removes impurities, improving water clarity, color, and eliminating odors for a pristine environment. Discover the power of our porous ceramic rings. They offer the perfect surface for beneficial bacteria to thrive, contributing to a balanced and healthy ecosystem in your tank. With 120 bioballs included, these promote essential gas exchange. This process significantly increases dissolved oxygen levels, vital for the well-being of your fish and plants. This triple pack provides exceptional value and all the necessary media for your canister filter. Keep your aquarium water in top condition with this all-in-one solution. What we like. This media set includes activated carbon for odor and color removal, bio balls for gas exchange, and ceramic rings for beneficial bacteria. It's a complete biological and chemical filtration solution. If you're setting up a new tank or looking to enhance the biological filtration of an existing one, this comprehensive media pack is ideal. What people say. This is a great replacement part for the Sunsun Canister Filter. It fits perfectly and works just like the original part. The quality is good and it seems durable. Number 1. Marine Color Sunsun HW3000 Canister Filter Inlet Outlet Rainfall Pipe. Introducing the original part for your aquarium canister filter. This accessory ensures optimal water flow and filtration for your fish tank. Designed to seamlessly connect with all ID 0.8-inch, 20 mm, water hoses. Enjoy a secure and leak-free connection for your setup. Its adjustable length makes it suitable for all marine, fresh, and plant aquariums. Achieve the perfect fit regardless of your tank's dimensions. Crafted from high-quality plastic, this component is built to last. It provides reliable performance for your aquatic environment. This package includes the essential inflow and outflow kit as pictured. It's everything you need to enhance your aquarium's filtration system. It is designed to fit aquarium glass with a thickness of less than 0.8 inches, 20 mm. This ensures a stable and secure attachment. What we like. These are original replacement inlet and outlet pipes designed for specific Sunsun filters. They are made from durable plastic and feature adjustable lengths to fit various tank thicknesses. If you need to replace the intake and output plumbing for your Sunsun canister filter and want a genuine, adjustable part, these are the perfect fit. What people say. The media basket is a perfect fit for the Sunsun 304B filter. These replacement parts ensure the filter continues to run smoothly and efficiently. The sponges and ceramic rings included in the kit are of good quality and effectively filter the water. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.